Let me say something that sounds wrong at first. Senior Flutter developers are cheaper than juniors, even if they cost more per 1 hour. And if you ever hired a junior, waited 3 months instead of 1, rewrite half of the code, or spending hours explaining basic things, you already know why. Now I'm gonna break down the real costs. Most of our clients are not experimental startups anymore. They have real products, users and revenue. And they hire developers for months, sometimes for years, but not just a few weeks. And almost all of them come to us after the same experience. First, why? Time is the most expensive resource. Yes, junior costs less per hour, but seniors cost less for feature or whole product shipped. A junior might take 3 weeks to build some feature with rewriting, additional question, additional time, bug fixing and so on. But senior will finish the same feature in 5 days and move on without any extra and unnecessary questions. And in the end, deadlines slip because of missed of experience. Second, why? Hidden management costs. With juniors, you always pay the management tax. You explain, check, fix, and again re-explain. If you, as a product manager, spends 2 hours per day by babysitting, it's definitely not free. Seniors don't need micromanagement, they hold the front. Third, why? Code that doesn't explode later. A lot of cheap code works until it doesn't. No architecture, documentation and scalability. Then, 6 months later, no one wants to touch it, even the original developer. In comparison, senior developers can write code that other people can actually live with. Fourth, why? Communication prevents disasters. Silent developers are dangerous and problems here don't appear suddenly. First of all, there were red bells you haven't noticed. Senior developers pick up early that always tell you when something will break, when requirements are unclear and shortcut will cost you later. That alone thing sometimes can cost you a whole product. Fifth, why? Stability beats constant rehiring. Junior can disappear for better offers or if he understands that it's impossible to continue working with such project. And every replacement means lost context, new onboarding, new mistakes. Especially when you replace one junior to another one junior. Senior developers stay longer at all because they understand their product. It's better for them to scale current scalable architecture, and it happens especially in long-term outstaffing models with real accountability. So yes, senior developers cost more per hour, but they can save you money in total. Time, management, rewrites, missed deadlines and sleepless nights. If you really build the serious product, cheap is usually the most expensive option. If you're already tired of micromanaging developers and you don't want to rewrite the same features twice or replace developers constantly, we can offer a free consultation where we'll review your current setup and then tell you where time and money are leaking. Maybe a senior developer will actually help in your situation. Feel free to find the link in the description. Like and subscribe to the channel for more development insights.